Most developers get decorator stacking order backwards. Here's the truth that trips up interviews. When you stack multiple decorators in Python, they're applied bottom up. The one closest to the function definition executes first. If you write at on top and at b directly above the function, Python first applies b, wrapping your function, then applies a to wrap that result. The decorator nearest to def always wraps first. The wrapping model makes this concrete. Writing at above at b above def, f is exactly equivalent to writing f equals of b of f. Decorator b receives the original function and returns a new callable. Decorator then wraps that callable, adding another layer. Think of it like nested boxes. B is the inner box, A is the outer one, and the original function is the gift inside. Now here's where execution time diverges from decoration time. Decorators are applied once at definition, bottom to top. But when you call the function, execution flows the opposite direction, top to bottom. Decorator runs first, does its setup, then delegates to B, which runs its logic, and finally the original function executes. Think of decoration as stacking plates, and calling as using them from the top of the stack. 2 phases, 2 directions. Bottom to top at definition, top to bottom at execution. Master that distinction, and you've got decorator stacking. Follow for more Python deep dives. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.